Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'll show you how I add sparkle in my doll's hairstyles. In this video, I'm using my Disney Parks Belle Reroot. To add glitter, you can easily use some glitter hair gels. However, this might make the hair sticky and I don't want to have to wash my doll's hair afterwards. So I'm using this tinsel. I found this tinsel in a bunch of different colors in my local dollar store. I also found some gold and silver cord that I will be using as well. To create a hairstyle with the added glitter, I used some hair elastics and a comb. Part off a small section just above Belle's ear and split it into 3 sections. Then I take some strands of tinsel and start braiding the hair, incorporating the tinsel in the braid. As you can see, this gives the hair a really subtle sparkle. I personally prefer these styles to be a little extra sparkly, so I separate some of the tinsel from the braid and continue braiding the rest of the hair and tinsel that I left in. I end the braid with a rubber band to keep it secure. Then I go back to the point where I separated that tinsel and section these strands into 2 and start wrapping the braid loosely, crossing the 2 tinsel strands over each other, creating this really sparkly crisscross look. While you're wrapping, you do not have to be precise at all because you really can't go wrong with it. To finish off the braid completely, I wrap the hair elastic and knot the ends of the tinsel together to secure it in place. To make Belle's hair even more sparkly, I also add tinsel in a small fringe braid on the other side of the head, the same way I did the first braid. If you notice some loose ends of tinsel, you can just cut those off. Another way to add tinsel or glitter cord is by using it as the second and third strand of a regular braid. This gives you another really cool look. To secure it, I simply wrap the ends with thread and tie the ends together. With these techniques, the options are endless. You can use it on hair that's straight, curly, tied up, braided, or even in dreadlocks. You can create many different glittery styles and make them as bold or as subtle as you want. I really hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. If you're gonna try out this look on your own dolls, make sure to post a picture on Instagram and tag me in it. And if you want to see more pictures of my doll restyles, follow me on Instagram as well, where you can find me at the Doll Boy. See you next time!